Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hopefully, in this difficult time of coronavirus, everyone is healthy and studying carefully at home because there is no alternative to study. And so, again welcome to watch today's online class patiently and attentively. I am Shima Akhtar, assistant teacher at Balijuri FM High School, Madarganj, Jamalpur. Dear students, in this slide we see a picture of flowers. People of all ages like flowers. Do you like flowers? Okay. If you like flowers, how much do you like flowers? I like flowers very much. In this slide, you look very carefully. Here, there are two sentences in the slide. Number 1, she sang a song. Number 2, I like flowers very much. What is the purpose of the words in the circles? Can you answer that question? Can you answer that question? Please try to say the answer. Okay. It is verb. So, today our topic, right forms of verbs. Learning outcomes. After the lesson, the student will be able to write the sentences using right forms of verbs, fill in the gaps with right forms of verbs, correct mistakes and rewrite the passage with right forms of verbs. In this picture, we can see a beautiful scene. What is the scene about? The sun rises in the east. Rises. If the sentence is universal truth or habitual fact, it will be present indefinite tense. Now at this stage, the man is reading the Holy Quran in the picture. He reads the Holy Quran every day. Every day reads. If in the sentence there is every day, always, regularly, occasionally, usually, often, sometimes, generally, the sentence will be present indefinite tense. Since it is now, here, the sentence is the present continuous tense. Rana is playing cricket now. Now is playing. If in the sentence there is now, at this moment, at this time, the sentence will be present continuous tense. Dear students, I have recently visited Cox's Bazar. Recently have visited. If in the sentence there is recently, already, just now, lately, ever, yet, by the time, the sentence will be present perfect tense. We should take care. We should take care of our health. Should. Should. After shall, should, can, could, may, might, will, would rather, had better, ought to. Verb will be in base form, take. Base form, take. Dear students, in the picture we can see two girls playing in the rain. It has been raining for 3 hours. For 3 hours has been raining. If in the sentence there is for oblique since plus time, the sentence will be present perfect continuous tense. Once there lived a princess. Once lived. If in the sentence there is once, ago, long ago, last night, last week, last year, yesterday, the sentence will be past indefinite tense. Lived. They had reached the school before the bell rang. Before. Had reached, rang. If in the past tense there is a word before between two clauses, the sentence structure will be the clause past perfect plus before plus the clause past indefinite tense. The children went to their bed after they had finished their study. After went, had finished. Had finished. If in the past tense there is a word after between two clauses, the sentence structure will be the clause past indefinite plus after the clause past perfect, had finished, went. We saw them playing. The boys wanted to climb the tree. We saw them playing. The boys wanted to climb the tree. If in the simple sentence there are two verbs, one verb will be present participle, verb plus ing, or before that verb there will be to plus verb base form. So, playing, wanted, climb. 2. It is high time farmers planted paddy. It is high time planted. If in the sentence there it is high time, I fancy, would rather that, after the subject of this words, the verb will be in past indefinite form, planted. Evaluation. Dear learners, I am putting 3 sentences in front of you. You write the sentences using right form of verbs. My dear student, try to write the answers. Write the sentences using right forms of verbs. Number 1, she read a book now. Number 2, she girls enjoy very much in the girls. Number 2, the girls enjoy very much in the last Pohela Boishak. Number 3, they take their tiffin after they finish their lesson. Try to write the answers. Can I help you? Can I help you to write the answers? Can I help you to write the answers? Okay. I am reading the answers. I am reading the answers. She is reading a book now. Is reading. Number 2, the girls enjoyed very much in last Pohela Boishak. Enjoyed. Number 3, they took their tiffin after they finished their lesson. Took, finished, had finished, took, had finished. Now homework for you. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of the given verb and show it in the next class. Live, walk, sleep, take, sit. Mr. Anwar Rahman dash in the open air every morning. She feels fresh. He feels fresh. Today he dash already a mile. Now he dash rest dash on a bench. A dog dash for 1 hour near the bench. It is high time he dash the place. Okay. Thank you. Peace be upon you all.